Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet table cover designs, table cover ideas. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas for you. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and stylish crochet table cover designs, crochet flower table cover designs, table cover ideas for you. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your table with your crochet table cover designs, stylish table cover designs. You can make easily crochet table cover designs. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful table cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet flower table cover designs, table cover ideas? Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.